In this video, we are going to discuss two string methods, replace and split. So replace syntax is s1, s2. It replaces a string with another string. And split, it splits this string into substrings if it finds instances of the separator. Now we'll try to get the explanation with the help of examples. Suppose this is my string s, this is Python code. I'll print the value of s, it will print the string as it is. This is Python code. Now if I want to replace all the occurrences of s by q, so I'll give the print function argument as s dot replace. Again, we are implementing string methods, so methods has to be used with the variable, string variable. So s dot replace, it will replace all the occurrences of s by q, and it will return a new string which will be printed on the screen. So how many s we have? This is 2s. So this s and this s will be replaced by q, and now output of this print will be this s is replaced by q, s is replaced by q, and rest is all is as it is. As we have discussed in previous video also, any string method will not do any modification in the original string. So after this, even if I print the value of s, it will print this is Python code as it is. So original string is intact. This will return a new string with modifications. This is the output. Now this replace function or replace method, string method, work with characters also and work with multiple characters also. So suppose if I want to replace all the occurrences of s by Z. So if I print the output of s dot replace all the occurrences of s by Z, so same way this s and this s will be replaced by Z. So this s is replaced by Z, is replaced by Z, Python code. Purposefully I have mentioned Pythons with capital S just to show you that this is case sensitive. Because this is capital S, this has not been replaced by Z. This s will remain as it is. We are just replacing lowercase s with Z. So this is the explanation of replace. Now we'll see few examples for split. Again, consider one string variable with value. This is Python's code. If I print the value of s, it will print the string as it is. This is Python's code. Now you can see there are three spaces, white spaces inside my string. So if I give a method as, or if I use a method as s dot split, and what is a separator? Because if you look at the explanation, splits the string into substrings, into multiple strings if it finds instance of the separator. So I have to pass on the separator where I want to split the string. So I'm telling Python interpreter to split the string s wherever you find a white space. So I have white space, I have a second white space, and I have a third white space. So if you look at the output, it is giving me all the strings, substrings separately. This as a separate substring with single quotes, is my second substring, Pythons is my third substring, and code is my fourth substring. Now actually this is a list, and then how to use this list, how to read this list, that we'll discuss in some different videos. But the split gives us multiple substrings separated by white space. Now we can use split function with specific characters as separator. So if I give capital S dot split, and I want to use capital S as separator. So in this case, we have this lowercase s, but only this capital S is present at this location. So it will split this value or this variable s into two substrings. One substring till capital S and second substring after capital S. You can look at the output. Now this is Python with white spaces, this is my one string, and only code with that white space. So white space and code is my second substring. So I'm trying to split my string using capital S as separator. Now look at third code. Here is this code is my value of string variable s. Now I can use the split method with multiple characters also. That means I want to split this string wherever I find is as a group of two characters as a separator, is as a separator. So you can see I have one is present here. So here and white space should be my first string. After is we have a white space and th because another is present here. So white space and th should be my second string. And after this is we have a white space and code should be my third substring. So this split is splitting my original string into three substrings using is as a separator. So this is how you can use replace and split in Python.